Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute present. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon present, let's begin by drawing a line across here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that just comes right across for the top. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. And then I'm going to connect this. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side with a line across here at the bottom. At the top, let's begin by making kind of like a half oval shape for the top of the bow. Then we'll make a line that goes up and then down, and another one here that's going to come up and down. Then we'll make a little line right inside of here. Now we want to make a nice line that comes down here on each side so it looks like the ribbon. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that comes down. And then same thing here, I'm going to draw a line that comes right down here. Now the next thing I like to do is just add a nice little funny face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye right here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'll add a small circle at the top. And then I'll go ahead and color the rest of it in. This way we have a nice little eye with a little reflection in there. Now for the mouth, I'm going to make a line across. I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And then another little line right here. And then we can color in this part too. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon present. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.